All right, folks, welcome to one of the first episodes of RM 3D creation. I've decided to take this other channel I've had that was specifically designed for 3D printing, and I have kind of exhausted myself on 3D printing, let's just say. It's neat, it's fun, but it's not for everyone. That was accidental rhyme right there, I'll tell you what. My wife is behind the camera. She's gonna follow me around. I almost made her smirk with that one. It was really close, but she didn't give in. She's just shaking her head at me. So this part of the channel, and what I'm gonna do on this channel is things that are not. So this channel is gonna be about things that are not necessarily 100% boat related. All the people that are on my other channel that have followed me want to see nothing but boat content, motor content, and stuff like that. But I do a lot of things around here, a lot of other things that might be the people that want to watch me for me and just see me actively doing stuff. This is what this one's all about. And the people that want to watch just boat stuff, that'll be over there. If I'm fixing my car, it'll be on this particular channel. If I'm fixing mowing the yard or fixing a lawnmower or re-roofing a shed or, you know, other stuff is what I'm saying, it'll be on this channel. So we're gonna try it out for a while, see how it goes, and we'll just make adjustments from there. But the more people that like and subscribe, the better off everything is all the way around. And let's keep this going. This is fun. So as you guys have already seen, most likely on another video, I had this particular apparatus on the trailer picking that engine out of the back of the boat. Crazy thing is, I'm going to do the same thing when I put it back in, but I got some other stuff I need to do with this trailer in the meantime while I'm prepping that boat to receive the other engine. So let's go ahead and get this thing off of here. It's not going to be any fun. There's a lot of times I'm a one-man band around here, and trying to manage it can be a little. There's a good chance you're going to see me fail. Let's just say that out loud. Real good chance of it. I'm going to hit my leg. I'm going to cut myself. The goal is not to do that. Wait till you see what we're getting ready to put on this trailer. You guys are gonna laugh. If I can make it happen, you guys are probably gonna laugh at me. Well, I ain't gonna tell you what it is. You gotta keep watching. Build your tail lights on your trailer so you can step on them like that and not break them. Tell you, going down hopefully is a lot easier than going up on this thing. We'll see. This gravity's my friend. Let go of my ego. Hey, that wasn't so bad. All right, that was easy. Now let's do something crazy. My wife's got the toughest job. What?
You broke my cup.
How'd you break your cup? Why? How'd I break your cup? I didn't touch it. Where was it? Well, that was silly, wasn't it? See, my wife already blamed me for breaking the cup. Episode 1 is not going well already in this new venture, is it? There's a smile behind the camera. She won't turn the camera on herself, but it happened. All right, now her job at this point is not to get run over or hurt. You good with that?
Sure.
Sure, she says. All right, let's try this. All right. Now I'm gonna load this 17 or 18 foot Rinker boat that I'm still doing testing on the backside with. I'm gonna pull it down the hill so it's pointing downhill, and I'm gonna put this 18-foot boat on this 9-foot trailer. We'll see. You guys saw me take it high speed surfing around the yard last week. Now, you guys see me hook that into a fender. Why? Because that build thing's heavy duty. And I'm just trying to point it downhill. Now, some of you might ask yourself, Michael, why did you point it downhill? Well, that's an easy answer. Gravity. Look at that, the fender didn't even come off. Must have built that right. Now, I do have some things I still want to take off of this boat, but now I'm gonna back up tight to it, tight enough that I can get my come along up there. Maybe a couple of ramp boards slid in there so we can, yep. Bet you guys didn't think when I built ramps for this trailer, I'd be pulling a boat up it. Nope. You can say this ain't gonna work, but how can it not work? Many ways. The shortest come along in history, I'll tell you what. Oh, I can't reach it. I got it. You guys stay there behind the camera. Stay on your couch. I got it. No problem. I think what I'll use is one of these Strapano straps. Come on, little boat. Get up on here on my trailer. Is the Jeep going backwards or is the boat going forward? This is where electric wrench would be nice. I gotta get the little pulley thing up over the thing. Did you forget to turn the air conditioning on outside? Maybe? No? Come on, bring it over. You can do it. There it comes. Yep. Things are moving. Wood's cracking. Think that'll stay if I release it? Oh yeah. Beauty, Clark. That's actually moving easy enough. I wonder if I can back up into it. What do you think? I'll try it. Ow! That fender didn't move at all. Well, that took up a lot of slack real quick, didn't it? Hot diggity dog. Don't underestimate the willingness and the power of a determined individual. Let's see if I can get this strapping rope saver thingy up here, trapped. We'll hook this up here. Look at that thing. He's about ready to tip into place even. Look at this. What? All right. No, he didn't. Oh, yes, he did. Lost my little lifty chain here. All right. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of negative tongue weight here. And we got to turn into positive tongue weight here in a little bit. Careful. Don't scratch the gel coat. There's a whole lot not on the trailer, ain't there, babe? Well, let's see if we can change that a bit. I'm gonna go right up here and back right into that tree. That looks pretty good. Strapped. Secured. You didn't think that was gonna happen, did you? Well, this is some of the craziness you might see on this other channel on a regular basis. Now we'll go and hook this. Hook up a big trailer. So I got another run I'm doing for some more content. We got to gather. I like to grab and recycle things. We'll see this one again when we're leaving it at the dump. But I gotta take the wiring harness out yet. We'll do that. All right, let's go around the yard. They got me in frame, baby. I got good tongue weight there. Oh, yeah. Let go of my Jeep. Thank you. All right. Now I gotta hook up to the other trailer because we gotta go do another thing. That's gotta go to the junk. All right. Hey, babe. You can stand right there in front of that old washer and give me the one-handed signals. That'd be awesome.